I know it looks like a professional done did my hair, but I did this myself.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing up.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pamela CEO, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today we are trying a quick weave on ourselves for the very first time. Okay, I know it looks like a professional done did my hair, but I did this myself. My very first time even trying a quick weave, and this is how it came out. Very easy to do at home. You can literally get a salon look right at home, okay? You don't have to go out looking for a hairstylist and be paying $300, $400, $500 to get this look. You can get it at home, okay? If you guys want to know how I got this look, make sure you guys watch the rest of this video. I literally take you through the whole step from start to finish. Let me not do too much rambling. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys leave me some comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. So if you're ready to figure out how to do your own DIY quick weave at home, just keep on watching. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. I am about to attempt my first ever quick weave on my head. I used to do hair back in the day, so this shouldn't be an issue. I got some black caps, protector for my hair, the hair glue, an extra rat tail comb. We're gonna be doing a side part quick weave. And I wanted to do something like with layers. I've already kind of had a side part sew-in like this before, and I kind of want to do something like that again. So let's get started. So first, what I'm going to do is section my hair. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a side part. Obviously, you can see that this is the side that I always do leave out on. Leave out is fried, tied, and laid to the side. But that's okay. It's enough to cover that little side part. So let me go ahead and braid this up and get it out the way, and then pull the rest of mine out. I left just the smallest bit out in the front because I hate like not having a little bit out right there. And then I'm just gonna part off. That's probably a little too big. I don't want too much out, but just enough so I can do my baby hairs. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with our braid down. I'm just going to braid down like inwards and just go down. So let's get started with that process. So we're going to tuck the braids into that braid and keep going. And I'm gonna go ahead and comb the rest of my hair up, and I'll be back when I'm on like this side. So this is the braid down. Yeah, when I got to this side, I started from that way. So yeah, let me go ahead and oil this scalp. I have a very dry scalp. So I know quick weaves, it's kind of hard to get to your scalp. So let me make sure we are all oiled up. Now let's get into the nitty gritty. Okay, so I have bought a couple of wig caps, well, stocking caps. I got like this sheer wig cap. Maybe I should use the sheer one. Here's one cap on. Usually I see people use two, obviously to protect their real hair, and I am starting to take care of my real natural hair, so let's just go ahead and use the two and not try to cut corners. I also picked up this like liner pencil from the beauty supply store so that I can draw and mark where my leave out is. So let's just go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to use this glue that I got from the beauty supply store to secure the perimeter. Okay, so that's what we got. Let me go ahead and add the second cap and do the same thing. So now we can kind of see where I already drew those white lines under there. So y'all are literally like learning this with me, but I am gonna need it all the way down here as well. So we're going to now take our glue. Ooh. Hopefully that looks good in the back, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with the protective shield. And I'm not gonna cut off the cap until this protective shield is dry. We're just gonna go straight in with the protective shield and start protecting our hair. Then use the blow dryer to blow dry it, but they say like make sure it's like fully dry. Okay, are we fully protected? Let me know. I don't want to put too much because it's going to take forever to dry. Yo, my cap is taking so long to dry and I'm like, what is going on? But I realized it's because I was blow drying it on cool instead of hot. And now it's like completely dry. It's giving dry. I'm gonna do this side a little bit more. But some of the videos I've seen, they did cut the cap off. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm scared. Oh, it's really stuck though. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's really stuck. Okay. I'm actually very proud of myself for this. Because I was like, oh, I feel like I put the glue back too far back. Like, it's not going to be right on the part. But it is. I think this is good enough. And then I'm going to cut the rest later. I just want to be able to see that the mold is done. I have some like double wefted pieces because I pulled them off of a wig. So we're gonna start with those in the back. So we have 4 like double wefted pieces. This one is super long, and this wig has some, as you can see, some layers in it, so the sides are a little bit shorter. So I think this one is gonna come up to the front so that that layer, the previous layer, can kind of just sit there. Yeah, and then it'll fall like it should. We're gonna start with the double wefted and the shortest piece in the back. I'm just gonna add the glue to the weft and blow dry it a little bit and then stick it on. First track done. I'm actually really excited. So I'm gonna do that second one that goes in the nape. I feel like that track I just glued was like kind of lopsided, but we can work with it. And then I'm gonna do this one just kind of right above it, probably on that little hump, so that all of that is covered. Like, since these are double wefted, I don't have to place them like super close together. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat that step over and over and over. And my hair isn't gonna be this long. This is literally gonna be cut. I want it to literally be like right here, with layers in the front. So I'm gonna do this long track in the front. I'm like scared. So we got that piece on. Barely. So I'm gonna do a couple more wefts and I'm gonna come back on camera when I kind of get to the top so we can see together how we're gonna do that part. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the cap now because it's hard for me to see like where my actual like part is. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. I feel like I'm like almost done. And yeah, because this hair is actually full already, so I don't need to put a whole bunch more. So you can't even see through the back, okay? And again, it's gonna be cut shorter, so it's gonna be pretty full. So I think now, do I like put the tracks kind of like halfway, because I have one track here for like the perimeter track, and like, yeah, I'm gonna have to start stacking them up right here. So let's do that. So we made it all the way here, and all we have left is our last perimeter braid. Super excited. I feel like this didn't take that long. I feel like it took an hour to do like all the gluing, but again, this is my first time, so we are going to make sure that this last piece is snug and as close to like my leave out as possible. You know how like the girl on TikTok, Cumani, like her hair really be layered? I'm like trying to go for that like super layered look. I'm excited to style, and this is raw hair, so you already know my hair is gonna be fire when I'm done. I literally ran out of space on the most important part, but as you can see, we got the perimeter zone. So now it's time to style. I'm so excited. Do I need to blow my hair out? I don't know, really. I'm gonna blow it out a little bit. Just flat iron my leave out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I want it to have like a nice little swoop, but my edges are kind of long right here, which is a surprise because I know I definitely want it to come out right here. So maybe let's start with that one. Yeah. I kind of did that, didn't I? Now I'm gonna start curling my hair. Okay, here's the initial comb out. Let's see what we're working with. Fire. Guys, did I not freak this? Y'all, I really ate down. I must admit, I really ate down. I must admit. This is fire. I just imagine when I'm like, my makeup is done and like I have earrings on. So this is really the finished look, guys. I hope this gave somebody the courage if you want to do your own quick weave for the first time. It is so easy, and I'm probably going to be doing more of these instead of just wearing wigs because I do love a good leave out. Okay, this is the back, this is the part. Looks very natural. Let me see what it looks like Yeah, and I left a little bit of my edges out, so yeah, looks very natural. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Yeah, so, and I'll see you guys in the next video.